Hi everybody, Miss Scarf here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image that has a simple background. You want to begin with an image where the background is relatively simple. We're going to go to the Select under the menu, and then you're going to choose the word Subject. Photoshop is going to try to find the background and select it. These are called marching ants. If you ever want to get rid of them, you hit Control D on your keyboard. If you want to undo what you did, you hit Control Z. Now that we have created marching ants, we are now going to clean up our selection. At the bottom of your tools, there's a rectangle with a circle. We call this Quick Mask Mode. Click on it. Everything that has been selected is blue, and everything that is not selected is white. We are going to use our brush tool to clean up what Photoshop selected. So head on over to your tools. This is the brush tool. You can also just hit the letter B on your keyboard to select it. After you select your brush, the next step is to select your brush. I want you to click on 75% hardness. This makes it so that the brush is neither soft nor hard, and the edges will be relatively soft but not too much. To change the size of your brush, you're going to hit the right bracket key to make it bigger or the left bracket key to make it smaller. Now you want to zoom in so that you can inspect if Photoshop did a good job. I'm holding down my space bar to move around. I noticed that this nail right here, Photoshop missed. So you're going to go over to your bottom of your tools. If you select the color black, Photoshop will add more selection. If you select the color white, Photoshop will remove the selection. So right now I'm going to select the color black. If you hit the letter X, Photoshop will toggle between black and white. So I'm going to put the color black. I'm going to head right here to this nail, and using my brush, I am going to paint what Photoshop missed. Once you have added all the selection that Photoshop may have missed, we are now going to remove areas that Photoshop accidentally selected. For example, this area here, there's blue where there shouldn't be any. So now I'm going to hit the letter X, and I'm going to switch between black and white, and I'm going to get into this little space right here with my brush to clean it up. If you're using a Wacom tablet, this will make it much easier to do. Remember, if you don't like what you did, hit Control X to undo what you did. Once you have cleaned up your selection, now we need to bring back our marching ants. So you're going to go down here, you're going to click on that quick mask, and you're going to see your marching ants back. Now we're going to add what is called a mask. So if you go to the bottom of your layers, you're going to notice a rectangle with a circle. We call this our mask. You are going to click on that, and you will notice that now there is a black and white mask that has been added. If you want to see what that mask looks like, hold down your Alt key and click. This shows you your mask. Everything that is black is being hidden, and everything that is white is still showing. If you want to disable the mask so that it goes away completely, you right click and click on the word Disable Mask. Alt click will show you the actual image. So right click, Disable Mask. So now the mask has gone away. To bring it back, right click, Enable Mask. Now, right now, the background is being hidden, so I can continue to edit. For example, if I grab my brush and I load it with the color black, I can hide parts of my selection. If I load it with the color white, I can bring back parts of my selection. So all this is possible because you have a mask on. Now, for the most part, you want to leave the mask on so you can continue to edit. But there are times when, for example, you are combining several images where you might want the mask to completely go away along with the background. In that case, you would right-click on the mask and click on the words Apply Layer Mask. If you do this, Now your image does not have a background, but you also cannot continue to edit that mask anymore. I'm now going to show you how to save your work. We're going to go to File. We're going to click on Save As. And you can save it to your cloud documents or to your computer. If you save it as a PSD file, it will continue to be editable. You can also choose to save this as a PNG. A PNG is an image that is finished, but it no longer has a background, and you can use it however you want. Thank you for watching.